So hi guys, it's Kerry again and welcome back to another Woodland Camp and Craft video. In this, what should be an awesome video today, we're at my permissive camp in North Lincolnshire here for the Woodland Camp and Craft Christmas gathering. Now, there's supposed to be somewhere in the range of about 25 people joining us for this camp. So there'll be plenty of faces, you know, plenty of YouTubers, you know, some really good channels, camping channels. So I'm going to try my best to capture the spirit of the whole camp without sticking the camera in everyone's face too much, without, you know, telling people to turn music down because it's, you know, it's Christmas, it's a festive meet. But I still want to capture the feeling and the spirit of the camp, and yeah, so hope you all enjoy this video and let the camping begin. So as you can tell, I've just about set up now. I've set Lily up. We've got 3 over there. We're going to have the big parachute just here in this little circle here for a communal area. We've got Andy's box hiding down there. Behind him we've got York Outdoors, and just down there we've got Paul Mesner. So there's a good few here already within the first hour, and yeah, hopefully lots more peeps. Well, blow me down. I was just about to film, just to let you know we put the parachute up, and Gavin and Zoe just walked in. So then, got the parachute up. It's a tad smoky. I just thought I'd show you the grub, and this was without the 4 joints of meat. No, I don't need to see it, they know what veggies low. Cheese boards, chocolates, Bucks Fizz, sweeties, beer. When we camp proper.
I just received it back. Where's all my sweets gone?
You won't be beating, will you?
This is pretty popular, just quite interesting. Oh, yeah.
It's going to be fun, this.
And do you know what the best part was? Recording.
Well done.
Oh yeah, full dramatic, like minus 25% speed. Yeah, but you should have seen it when we was in Peak District. We was crossing these streams over this stepping stone. Them two was out cameras. Someone please fall in, please fall in, please fall in. And then pulled in. Savages.
So, good morning guys. Oh, look at the state of my eyes. That's from the the smoke in the parachute last night. The wood was a bit damp, so we all got a bit smoked out. But yeah, good morning. I've been up for about an hour. Made the fire, got the fire going, had a look round, enjoying this. Well, not sunrise because I wasn't up for that, but enjoying the beauty of the sun. A few more people have turned up. We've got whole bushcrafter there, Craig, Ginger Bushcraft, Mike, and Steve, Frogman Wonders and Wild Camps over there. So it was a nice surprise when we got up. Some more people about. There was a deep frost last night, proper deep frost. All the fields outside of the woods are rock solid. I was only in Arctic bag last night and I just had a bit of chilly feet, but nothing major. Nothing major, but yeah. We're just about to have some bacon and get a brew on and all the rest of it. So, if anything more interesting is happening, me and Ben have just struggled to get this meat on the spit, but it's on, so I'm just going to drag you in there now and show you it. There we are then. There's the turkey, beef and pork, and another helping of beef for good measure. Let's get these browned up, and after a bit we'll get them covered up with some foil, I think. So we're about halfway through the cooking process of all our meat now, and taking a chip from Carlisle on 95 when I was up there camping with John is we've wrapped it in foil. I always just used to leave it over the flames, but
I'm hoping this way just keeps it more tender and helps it cook right through into the middle. Cheers, John. Lily, have you got your clean plates from Carla?
I've got a vest in.
Oh yeah.
No. Just got there. And he's like, oh no, by the bed. And I went, where was the by the bed? And he's like, well, did you get it? Nice for that question.
Crumbling, isn't it, mate? Looks nice.
Where have I done cocktails? Yeah, no, there is no tea, it's water.
Brandy. Brandy. I know. Get out. Oh, you have no idea how hot that is.
That would be phonics.
Let's go.
E-H-E-O-N-I-X. I know about Rio. It's not the way you say it. Owl. And then M-C. It's capital M, lowercase c.
Is that gravy?
What's that one with no lid on it?
Which one?
The one with no lid on it?
Gravy.
You got it from work. Yeah. But you get given a free one every year.
Yeah. So I reckon.
Are you going now, Matt? We've just
Yeah, I've got to clock in for 6 and then I'll be back about 9, 9:15. I'll call at the shop, get some beers and that. Hey? Yeah, we've got a wee bit left, what there?
Yeah, man.
Yes?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
It's fresh.
Ah, yeah.
Stop.
If I could, I should.
You okay, Rio?
If I could, I should.
You're right.
I'll tell you what, stick a fork in it, it's done. Right, everyone just bring the plate and I'll carve it up as...
Hello. Want me? Good stuff. Please. Dead looking animal needs to be eaten. Out. They're next in line. There's a sneakily there.
And so veggies.
It's all that's good and all that's fine. No,
Pick the blankets on there as well. Go on then, put them out of the way.
come tomorrow when we wait.
I'm not fussed if you want to get there.
And if I could, I'd show you. If I could, I'd show you. Right day, right oh, you are my
very
pawn
much.
every
Come back for seconds if you need it, mate.
Thank you.
oh, you are safety, you are
Pushing in.
you are.
Can I get something?
Fixing blankets. Kneel down, Claudia.
Oh, so good morning, folks. I'll say good morning. It's afternoon actually. I didn't get up till about 10 to 12, and all my crew's gone. All my guests have gone. It was a total whiteout this morning with snow, and yeah, a lot of people got off early before I got out. A lot of people just stuck their head in my tarp to say goodbye. But yeah, it's just left to our normal 3 or 4 some that's normally in the woods now. We've got just a little bit of rubbish to tidy up. But I think we're going to stay for an extra night, or 2 nights. Might even stay here till New Year now. So what's today? Today will be the 29th. Yeah, we're going to stay an extra 2 nights. We've got the parachute and everything up, so we're just going to do a bit of a food run and stay a bit longer. See the New Year in. Yeah, so I just thought I'd just take this opportunity just to say a few thank yous. Thanks to everyone that come to the gathering. You made it all awesome. I had a fantastic night. Thanks to Bex for my s'mores. Thanks to Jeff and Kian for my hot sauces. Thanks to Gareth for carving me this beautiful little devil digger, spork. Thanks to Lee for my Friggs magnet. Thanks to Wayne for my cast iron skillet. And oh my god, I'm going to be terrible if I forgot anybody now. If I have forgot you, totally sorry, but you're all awesome anyway, and I've had a fantastic time. And let's get planning something. Let's get planning the next adventure. There we go then. This would just be for people that was here at the camp, and I was asking about putting the parachute away when it's wet. And I said we don't have to, and this is why it's self. The camera's not picking it out too good, but it's self-drying. I hope you can see all the steam coming off that. Dry as you go. So guys, I know I've just told you, well it was about an hour ago for me, but just a few seconds ago in the video for you guys, but Lily's taking a little bit ill now, so we've decided to get her out the damp air and get her home. So we're going to wrap the video up. I was going to stay for another couple of nights, but I'm sure she's excited to get home to play with all the Christmas presents as well. You know, we left on the 27th, so she's only had a day of playing with them. So yeah, she's got a couple of new bedrooms and that. A nice games room where we're going to be live streaming from now, and that's where the live chat, so join us there on Wednesday at 9 PM. So yeah, we're going to wrap this video up, unfortunately. I know all the great YouTubers here, some of them make great content. I know they've all struggled to film and there's so many people and so much going on. I had a big list of stuff that I couldn't get done. So I know the video is going to be a bit chip choppy and you know, I'm sorry, but we'll bring you back on the next one. I think the next one we're going up to Camp Stupid with Steve Frogmoon, Runners and Wild Camps. He's given us an invite there. Well, we've had an invite for ages actually, but such is life, we've just not ended up getting there. So please, I'm going to do the what YouTube recommend as the plan of action or the call to action. Please like, subscribe, share the video around, hit the bell if you want to be notified for my
new videos that's coming out. And yeah, from me and Lily, and an awesome Christmas gathering here in North Lincolnshire. Catch you later, guys.